Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Paul Reed and I'm a professional photographer. I don't do a lot of gear related videos, but the ones that I do, it's always something that I really want to use. And when people reach out to me and and it just makes no sense for me to test something out, I just say no, it's okay, it's not something that I really want to, be involved with. But this Sirui 35mm 1.4 lens for L mount, and I'm using this on my Leica SL. This was a lens that I was interested in because you know what I'm like for wider angle portraits. I love a 28mm or a 35mm, but I like a lot of background separation even though they're on the wider scale of things. So I said yes, I'd absolutely love to test this lens out. So it's a 35mm 1.4 Aurora and the make is Sirui. And the first thing that I was happy about was that this has got an aperture ring on the actual lens. I'm not a fan of lenses where there's no aperture ring on there because I use it quite a lot. I use aperture priority quite a lot, so I was really happy with that. So whilst that's got great clicks to it, you can declick it, so you can just knock that off, which is amazing for video users. I've got some video footage that I took with it coming up as well as a whole bunch of portraits, because let's face it, that's what I wanted this lens for. I wanted it for portraits. Of course, yeah, you've got the usual autofocus or manual focus, but I never touch all of that. You've got a function button on there, and then you've got this iris lock button as well. But to be honest, a lot of that stuff, not interested in it. I'm not bothered about it. Somebody might be, but I'm not bothered about that. What I'm bothered about is how good is the autofocus, and am I getting that great separation with beautiful out of focus backgrounds. And I'm going to show you some images now. I'm going to show you some portraits and you can be the judge. Now, one thing that you'll notice from the video footage there is that the autofocus was actually really keeping up, and the Leica SL has got pretty bad autofocus, but I just had no problems with the autofocus, and I had the face detect on as well, and this is really old tech in the Leica SL, but it really kept it up. And all of my photographs that I took that day, all of the portraits that I took, they were all in focus. So I was so pleased with that. I don't think this is going to leave this camera. I think I'm just going to keep this on there, and then this is what I use when I use the Leica SL. But I'm really pleased with it. I've got some more photos coming up now that I took with it, some more portraits, but also some video footage that I've took. And I took these photos and the video footage directly into the sun on a sunset, and the flare was just magnificent. I just thought it was amazing. It didn't knock all of the contrast out of the image. It just has this real romantic look to it, just beautiful. Of course, these photos are going to be in color because to take away all that warmth would just be terrible to do. You don't turn everything into black and white just for the sake of it. If something means something in color, if it gives a feeling, then keep those images in color. So I'm going to show you those now. The other thing that I just wanted to mention was that I have got a membership now for YouTube, so you can join that membership. And if you really want to help this channel out, then, and you want it to keep running, then that's £5 a month. And that £5 a month is going to really just help keep this channel running. But what the members are going to get is you're going to get exclusive videos in there. There's a lot of videos that I just don't put out there because they may be too long, or maybe a lot of these tutorial videos that I do on editing and things like that, they're just something which if I put those out there, the algorithm just penalizes everything else whenever you put those sorts of things out there. So it's kind of like these videos in the members area is probably kind of like less entertainment and more on the technical side. There's going to be a lot of behind the scenes footage. There's going to be a lot of point of view stuff there. So when I'm out on the streets, that point of view stuff, so that you know what I'm doing, what I'm thinking. And, I'm really excited. I'm going to put a lot of work into that membership area for those members only videos. So if you want to help the channel out, I really do appreciate it. It's just £5 a month, and I've got 3 members at the minute and I haven't even announced it. But I'd like more than 3. I'm going to leave a link in the description to the Sirui 35mm 1.4 Aurora, and enjoy these photos. It's a great lens.